Afternoon. See, I'm there with you once again. I know I love to be there with you, and I love that somebody is listening to me. Alright, so today I want to stress one thing, that is we should shed our laziness, because laziness is something which is very troublesome and it stops your growth, it jeopardizes you. So laziness at the first sight should be shunned away. You know that toying with the idea, visualizing something, and just dreaming about it, and how to pass your day, and just thinking, yeah, we can do it. Okay, not today. We'll do it. We'll continue to do it. And these kinds of expressions in life are very troublesome. And mind you, most of us have a tendency to have these kinds of expressions in life. That is why stagnation takes place. Stagnation regarding executing anything in life, your work, may it be anything, the nature of your work does not matter. It may be learning a language, it may be learning English, it may be doing any task, it may be accomplishing any amazing feat. But if we just think about it, if we keep pondering over it and we do not take action on it and we don't execute something, then things remain as it is. So you see, in stagnant water, what happens? Algae comes up because the water is not moving, and the water which is moving, well, that is the water which reaches its source, and that achievement takes place there. So we need to take examples from nature itself. Nature is a great thing from where we can learn anything and everything at the very onset of everything and anything. So if we want to do well in life, if we want to execute all the four skills of English, reading, writing, listening and speaking, we need to practice it, because practice would make it perfect, and without perfection nothing can be achieved in this world. So being lazy is, have you heard that proverb, an idle man's brain is a devil's workshop? Yes, very true. If you are idling and if you are just assuming that things would happen on their own without your taking any initiative to do it, by just dreaming about them, thinking about them, yes, then success would be way behind. If you want success, if you want that success should follow you, rather you should be following success. So that can happen only when you execute what is there with you. So my tip of the day for today for you all is execute what is there with you. Be contented not with what is not there with you. Be contented with what is there with you, but make it materialize. It's a good tip for today. And so start reading a lot of English, start writing a lot of English, start listening to a lot of English. Be in that environment, and invariably, I'm telling you, you will be speaking a lot of English and you'll be proud of yourself. Tip for you. Thank you so much.